Hi friends, we are going to talk about point of view. Point of view is who is telling this story. We know the author wrote it, but how did they write it? Someone's point of view is the way he or she sees things happen. So when I am telling a story about something I saw happen, I would use words like I, me, and my. That's first person, when a person who is in the book is telling the story. But if I am writing a story about someone else and that person is seeing things happen, we would use third person. Third person is a person who is not in the book is telling it. Look for the words like he, she, or they. I'm not in the book, but I can tell a story about someone else who is. Think about Curious George. Curious George is a funny little monkey and he likes to get into some trouble sometimes. And the book tells about Curious George and the man in the yellow hat going around town or joining the circus. These are things that happens to them. So the author would use words like he, she, and they to talk about Curious George and the man in the yellow hat.